Hello! So today I'm going to jump right into a crafty project. This is something I'm making for my Patreons for the month of September. I really love paper crafting and I'm so excited that the Happy Mail tier of my Patreon allows me to share crafty projects as well as other things like samples from my stationery collection, as well as like special exclusive designed products like postcards which I've done, and I've also started making zines again. So I'm including zines every now and then in my Patreon Happy Mail. At the moment I've been doing a zine each month, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I hand make a lot of the items. Paper crafting is something I've always done, and yeah, I'm really excited to share paper craft handmade goods in my Happy Mail. So I'm really excited about this too because my patrons, their pledges support me. They allow me to make a little bit of an income. I hope that can grow and then I'll have a lovely full-time job. That's the hope. And I love how they allow me to, if they're backing and their pledges, they allow me to spend the time to create things I've been wanting to create, but I haven't had the time to focus on them because, you know, got to make an income and pay the bills. So I'm so excited. I'm actually making a paper crafted Hobonichi cover, yes, and I'm gonna house the little samples and things I'm making, like the zine and my little illustrated letter, inside this little folder. So I've always wanted to make one of these. I came up with this idea myself. It was something on my had to make wish list. I've always wanted to make, I've never seen anyone make something like this, so I just want to do something really unique and fun. And I have a few Hobonichi journalers in my Happy Mail tiers, and I just really hope they like and get a lovely surprise. So I'm basing it on the A6 size because it will fit into an envelope. So I measured against the envelope size that I normally send out. I love paper cutting and making things by paper and cardstock. So what I've done is I've pre-cut out the elements that I thought I would need to make a Hobonichi cover. Now the inside, I really wanted to obviously make it as Hobonichi as I could. Because I'm limited to amount of cardstock that I have, like colour stock at home, because I'm in lockdown, I won't be able to make all the pockets, but I'm going to resemble some of the pockets. So I'm going to have this pocket because I can slide goods in, and I'm going to do like a shorter version of these pockets. So I'll probably have 2 pockets. I've got some big enough to house like some washi tape because I like to include a washi tape sample in each of my mail. And yeah, so I'm basically using, in this video I'll show you how I make the paper crafted Hobonichi cover folder. So pen pal ideas for journal and Hobonichi lovers is what also is included in this video. And then I'll probably show you what I kind of included in the mail as well for the September. Now the spots in my Happy Mail are only limited, so if you do see a spot and you're interested, grab it. But I also have other tiers on my Patreon that include printables. I included this little printable of this little Barra Papa pen on my Creative Collective tier, as well as a whole bunch of other artwork to make a DIY journal and then interactive memo notes. So that was that. So some of the printables are exclusive for the month, and then others I'm going to put on there for longevity for anyone that signs up. So just a matter of checking out what's there. But for this I decided to laminate and design a back of the pen because I'm going to stick this in the Hobonichi cover. Okay, so let's just jump right in. I'm going to put some music on and you can just watch me make it. Basically, I wanted to do a double coloured cover like Hobonichi have. I went for this blue and pink theme, and now looking at this I think there's actually a Hobonichi out of these colours, but I just actually wanted to do this. And I've got some bits to add, and I will be doing the little pen holders. So I got my washi tape sample. This is the sample I made for my September pen pals, and each will have a theme. So I want to make a pocket for this. Second pocket stuck down, and that's pretty much it because I'm making a handful of these, so I've got to keep it quite simple. This is it. This is the paper Hobonichi. So it's got the two little pen loops. It's got this lawn pocket here to stick goodies. And it's got two pockets here, so I could sit some little stickers I think in here, which I'll make it the size that fits. I'll come back and show. And one of these is definitely the washi tape. And I'm so happy that just fits snug. Like that, fits in like that. So it's really cute. I hope they like it. And you turn it over, it's got the pen there. Or you could even move it over to here. And I'm going to come back and show you all the goodies I've put in for my Happy Mail pen pals on my Patreon tier. So I'm going to fit my journal zine in here. So this is my Life as a Daily Journal zine. And that's going to sit in there perfectly. Oh, I'm really happy with that. I've laid out all my personally handmade items that are going in the Happy Mail. I've handmade these too, but yeah, just some more stuff like my papers. Oh, I've got the handcrafted Hobonichi, all the papers here, but I put them in these little, I order everything in these little acrylic trays, and they're just really handy if I just want to pick out one of each type thing for when I'm doing, putting the Happy Mail together. So it's like a production line in a way. So many things are going in this month's mail, like lots of work has gone into this. Yeah, so it's a real special pack actually, looking at this now. It's all kind of come together. I'm just going to put all these little items together in a little baggie. So I like to add like coloured paper or pattern paper into there just for a little background. I've made these little paper ephemera parts, got little stickers. This is this little special stamp I did, and then I've made washi tape stickers. Hopefully they can get a week and a bit more out of this, but I used all the different little days that I had, and yeah, included them here. So I hope that's something that they can use. When I do these little packs, I think about the things that I personally use that I think that they would love. And of course I love hand making things too. So I'll just put this in here with lots of little bits peeking out. This little pack, and then I have a little topper. I did this to my last mail. I like doing this. Normally I just add the washi tape and I that like this so they can see bits peeking out. So I got the illustrated letter and the other bits here and a little bit like that. And I'm going to belly band it to make it extra special. I'm going to belly band it and add some washi tape. So we've got a nice little belly banded goodness, the little letter. Happy with that. And then we've got So I've added my Happy Mail Days postcard in here. This is the back, by the way, because I want to bundle some things up with that, so I'll save that. I wanted to put this in here. I think I might just sit it in here, peeking out. Oh my god, this bit's really exciting because I've got my sticker. Oh my god. Oh, this is so exciting. Yeah, I like it for the front. Oh, it's so cute. Yay. I'm going to do some pink and blue stripe on some plain white envelopes. So I do a lot of handmade to the packaging. Singing so much, so I'm so sorry. He's really happy. I've got these little pink labels. I did blue ones for my first Patreons. Some little stickers. They're gonna go on the mail too. And I did some stamps. I included these in one of my printables for September. This was on an illustrated letter in August. So I've just printed some out. I might use them for this mail or other mails. I'm not too sure yet. But I did make these little personalized address labels. I did this with a different design of a little cute character girl for my first Patreon. So this is the second one. And then I've printed out all these little illustrated letters that will also go in my mail too. So lots of hand making, so many elements. And here's a closer look at the, without my bird tweeting and singing. I'm going to decorate the envelope. So I've painted this envelope in advance, which we've seen. And I'm going to use my little stickers. I've designed special elements for it. it's all done. Now to put the stamps on, take it to the post office. I double check the post cost at the post office and then it goes off. So many happy mail days, my lovely Patreons who sign up to this tier for September. I hope you enjoy everything that's in here. Yeah, I hope that you enjoy this video on making happy mail, pen pal mail for your Hobonichi or journal lover friends. Feel free to check out my Patreon, all the details in the description box below. I also have an Etsy shop, and thank you so much for watching this video on YouTube as well. So yeah, feel free to check out my Patreon for exclusive videos and printables and other content and a chance to receive happy mail like this. Each month is very different depending on its theme, so be sure to check out my Patreon and my Instagram account updates on there if you are interested. Okay, thanks friends, see you soon, bye for now, bye, and thank you to my lovely patrons who made this video possible. Oh, biggest supports ever, thank you.